Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam Irungu. If you've never tuned in before, you're very welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome very much. So today I decided to do a get ready with me. I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a very long time, and I decided today why not. Get ready to go out on a quick date, and I just decided to just do this quick simple look, and I don't know if it's because I haven't done makeup in a really long time because we've been on lockdown or whatever, and I haven't done makeup in a while. So looking at myself, I'm like, ooh, girl. I mean, really, I'm feeling myself. I am really feeling myself. Like, I wasn't guessing. But yeah, so I decided to film this quick get ready with me, and I might show my outfit later on during the day because I'm not really finished dressing. But for this look, I just decided to do a quick, simple look using one of my favorite palettes, the Jackie Anna palette. And yeah, and I also just recently got my hair done. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. And once again, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be outlining my eyebrows. I'll be using my Maybelline Concealer Cafe. So next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's the orange corrector, and I'm just going to use this basically to just clear up some of these bags. I like bags, but not those kinds. And a little bit around my mouth. Just a little bit where there's like a dark shadow type of thing, because it's gonna show up under your foundation if your foundation is not too full coverage, you know. So now next for foundation, I was looking through my stuff and I found this foundation that I had and I had not used it, and I was like, what? This foundation's been sitting there. So I was like, I'm gonna use it today. And this is the Giorgio Armani Longwear High Cover Foundation, and it looks like this. And when I got this, I was darker than I am now, so I'm hoping it's not gonna be too dark. But we'll see. Oh my gosh, it's my skin tone. Woo-wee. Okay. It smells really good though. Wow. This is literally my skin. I'm impressed. And to think I only picked this out, like, I don't really like to test the makeup on my skin when I go to the store, because I've worked in the makeup area like that, and most of those makeup products cannot be cleaned. So if someone came in and they tried it on their skin, and then you come in and then you try it on your skin, there's like bacteria and all this stuff growing on there. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a baby powder or lotion type of thing. But anyways, so I didn't really try it out in the store. I kind of just eyeballed it, and I'm impressed. It smells so good, guys. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It smells chemically. Now the key with concealer is you want to give it a bit of some time to dry a bit, and this helps with the application process, making it look more seamless. So to set that concealer that we just set under the eyes, I went in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. And I'm just gonna use this to set my under eye, and I am pressing it down so that it really sits in there. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Airspun. Today I am going to be using my Jackie Aina palette. Oh my gosh, this palette is just gorgeous, beautiful. And this is what the inside looks like. Some gorgeous colors all around. I'm going to begin with this shade right here, Ginger. And I'm gonna put that right on my crease right there. Such a warm, beautiful color. I'm gonna extend it out. Then next, I'm going to be going into Credit. Now for the lid shade, I'm gonna be using Sponsored and a little bit of Dwell.
Dulles is so pretty.
And then I'm gonna be taking this L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade I Explore. It smells good. It smells like candy. It's got these flakes of gold. I would highlight my forehead, but East African people be blessed with a forehead. So instead, y'all gonna see these cheekbones. Oh, beautiful. And finally, I'm gonna be using my NYX Matte Finish Spray. And that's it. Finished look.